Okay, so let's go through this question. So we have this person at the back of a crowd uses a periscope to actually look over the head of the people in front of the stage. So the top section of the periscope is a mirror, right? Then after that is to change the direction of the light from the stage. Then the bottom section contains a right angle prism. The prism is positioned until it's such that it actually changes the direction of the ray by a total internal reflection. And how is the prism actually positioned? Okay, first thing, we just imagine there's a light, so the light is going to hit the mirror, and of course due to reflection it's going to travel in this direction. Okay, so I must make sure at this point, at this so-called this point, I must make sure that the prism is like that, because I don't want any refraction, because the light is going to enter, and I don't want any refraction, yeah, correct. Okay, then next I must make sure because I want the light to actually change direction by using the total internal reflection, so means my prism must be like this. So you can see hit the surface, then after that you draw a normal, assuming that the angle right here is more than the critical angle, then you will undergo your total internal reflection. Okay, of course not to forget, at this point I also must make sure the surface of the prism right here must be perpendicular, so that it will not refract, it will just go out straight, due to the fact that this light ray is 90 degrees to the surface of the prism. So that is how we actually deal with this question. So the answer is A. Okay, maybe I explain using your option. So apparently your option is like that, right? So it's something like that. So for example, I just withdraw the prism. So for example, like that. So it's a mirror. Then after that is this. So your answer is something like this. Okay, why is this not the answer? Because apparently, so there's a light ray like that, and then undergo your reflection, so you just go straight like that. Okay, when you hit here, you are not going to undergo total internal reflection, because remember, total internal reflection, you must go from a denser medium to a less dense medium. So you are actually going from air to glass, right? So you are not going to actually undergo any total internal reflection. Means what happens is that you are going to enter the prism. So for example, I draw a normal. So you're going to enter prism in this manner. So you're going to reflect towards the normal. So it's going to reach here. Then after that, don't know what happened. Assuming is you undergo total internal reflection right here, right? Then next, what happens is that you will just reflect, then don't know where. So you can see that the light is not going to travel into the person's eyes right here. So yeah, so cannot be the answer B. Okay, then of course I think maybe let's talk about C as well, since I'm recording. Okay, C is like that. So for example, is a mirror, and then after that is a prism right here. So this is a reflection. So this is a light, right? Okay, then for C, apparently the surface is like that. Then after that is this, right? Okay, so the light ray is just going to enter in this manner, because it's perpendicular, right? Okay, what happened next? Assuming that I draw a normal. Assuming that the angle right here, is more than the critical angle. So where do you think the light is going to travel? It's going to travel like that, and I don't know where. So it will travel in this manner, and then it's like going to hit this part of the prism already. So it's not going to travel into the person's eyes in this direction. Okay, and last but not least is this, right? Okay, so I draw. Okay, so it's this, right? So this is a mirror, then the prism is positioned in this manner. Okay, so it's this. Okay, so the light hit undergo your reflection. So same thing, you draw normal. So you're not going to undergo total internal reflection, right? You're just going to enter straight into the prism, assuming that you're going to refract towards a normal. Then after that, okay, assuming that it's more than critical angle, you're going to undergo total internal reflection, hit here. Same thing, undergo total internal reflection. Then after that, hit here already. So cannot be D as well. So the best option I would say is A.